Hi Aries, good morning. This is your channel messages for the 13th of March. This is your daily horoscopes, Aries. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Let us go ahead and see what is in your reading. Aries. Your first card out is the 10 of Pentacles. Okay, Aries, I'm getting money. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, money. It could be family money. I'm getting a big transfer. Something about a check. All right. I see you. I'm not sure if you're going into the bank to ask if something is real, but I'm getting this is a lot of money and it is real. I'm getting something about family money. Yeah, we have the Emperor. Yeah, this is family money. Also, Aries, I'm getting the Emperor came out. That's you. I'm getting business is booming. I'm getting a lot of money, like an increase in whatever this is. Aries, I don't know what you're doing. You are the Emperor. The only thing that's missing right now is the Empress. But I'm getting, if this is the job, this is whatever business endeavor that you're doing right now, I'm getting business is booming. I'm getting a family business also. Something is family owned. I'm also getting a farm, Aries. The Emperor is you. But the Five of Pentacles. All right, so I'm getting when one person get locked in, another person get locked out. I'm getting something locked out. And that's good for you. Now, Emperor, be careful because I'm getting and going from the 10 of Pentacles to the 5 of Pentacles. So that means you may have made a bet. Because you're going from having a lot of money and living very comfortably. Emperor, Aries, this is you. This got cut in half. So I'm getting you have to share something. I'm not sure if this is a cut that you're willing to take. But I see that 10 of Pentacles is going to the 5 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles? Okay, I'm getting something about a puppy. Somebody want you to watch them puppy. Maybe somebody want you to animal sit. Because I'm getting the 9 of Pentacles with the 5 of Pentacles. So the 9 of Pentacles has money. She can take care of herself. Now, usually, especially in Canada, usually single women who even don't have boyfriends, even if them don't live with them boyfriends, them have pets. So I'm getting something about, okay, if you have 9 of Pentacles, if you can sustain yourself, get a pet, adopt something, you see? But also the Emperor over here. Now this look like a lamb. Now whatever pet this Emperor have of his choice, he has 10 of Pentacles. Okay, I'm getting something about getting money if you adopt some type of pet. I'm also getting Emperor. I'm not sure what you want this person to do. Because I'm getting the 9 of Pentacles is lighting up, but the 5 of Pentacles isn't. So something got switched back. I'm getting you switch something, it got switched back. So Emperor, Aries, I'm just saying, you are very used to being in a very powerful position. You earned it. But I'm getting, you never know when the tables can turn. You never know when in life you need help. Even if you have money, you never know in a life if you get old. You just never know. And you're the Emperor, so don't say you'd rather take yourself out than get old. Don't say you'd rather take yourself out than have bed sore and have somebody wiping your ass. Don't say that. Because I'm getting you going from the 10 of Pentacles, having everything, the Emperor, knowing what it's like to have everything, to 5 of Pentacles, having nothing. And then you meet this woman. Now, maybe you're turning this woman from the 5 of Pentacles to the 9 of Pentacles. Yeah, the 8 of Cups, but there's something about drinking alcohol. Is this woman known to be intoxicated? 9 of Pentacles here. One more. I'm getting a Virgo. Something about a Virgo telling you about someone's wealth is being spent on alcohol. I'm getting that's a lie. Emperor. I'm not sure what a Virgo is saying to you, but if If this argument came from the Virgo, I'm getting that's the cover so that you won't, so that the Nine of Pentacles can't merge with you. I'm getting something about alcohol intoxication. Unless this is you want to give somebody a gift of alcohol, but you're not sure if they'll accept it or not. I'm seeing something about a Virgo. I'm getting a Virgo lockout. Right. A Virgo is now lock. I'm going to turn the Virgo into the dog now. I'm getting to turn the Virgo into the dog now. The Virgo is now the dog. Aries. Let's get some these cards. We have Illuminati. Here the tables turn. I'm getting the Virgo is now the dog. I'm getting the alcohol, not the alcoholic, but the person who always drinking alcohol is a Virgo. I'm getting somebody is going to take it from the 5 of the Pentacles to 9. And 9 is just 1 less than 10. I'm getting the Emperor is going to do it for you or help you. We have Wednesday. Is today Wednesday? I'm not sure if it is. We have CIA. We have Aquarius. The aliens. Okay. And one more. We have religious agenda. Thanks for watching. Bye.